Titan video. In this video, we'll show you how to do an auto PDF, but with a landscape mode. So let's get that started. We'll enable it first, set it as landscape. Then I'll go ahead and show you what I've done is I've set up a push and I'm creating a contact. So action is create and I'm mapping my fields. All I've mapped is first name, last name, and email. And then what I'm doing is I'm creating a file and I'm pushing it into the contacts object. And these are the fields I've mapped, which is title, which is GDPR form, version data is auto PDF, and published location ID is my contact. So let's see how it looks like when you do a push. So let's say Joe autofit, Joe at autofit.com. So let's see, let's have a look. Document generation, auto PDF. Yes, we're doing a landscape. So we'll do Joe landscape. And then we submit. Now this is getting pushed into Salesforce. And then we'll go and check in the integration log what's happened with that. Here's the integration logs. And it's 6 o'clock here, so let's wait. There is a contact. And there is a file. So if I go back into my contact now, and I show you, you can see that the page is in landscape mode, and this is how it looks like. If you wanted to print this page as an auto PDF, but if you wanted to view it in landscape, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching this video.